Voyager 2 is a powerful multi-sensor mid-range thermal night vision system. It features 2 thermal imaging cameras and 1 daylight low-light camera. At the heart of the Voyager 2 multi-sensor system are 2 thermal imaging cameras. A wide-angle camera that gives you a continuous broad overview of your surroundings, and a telephoto camera that lets you view objects at long ranges. Voyager 2's unique combination of optical and electronic magnification allows you to zoom seamlessly between the 2 thermal imaging cameras. Or a telephoto image can be nested inside a wide-angle image. It gives you a broad view of your immediate surroundings with greater detail of distant objects in the center of the screen. Voyager 2 also has a color video camera. It works like 2 cameras in one. A daylight camera that gives you clear, sharp images in bright sunlight, and a low-light camera that automatically adjusts to let you see in the half-light of dusk or dawn. They're ideal for reading distant channel markers, identifying other vessels, evaluating activity on board other vessels while underway or in port, and checking out hazardous inlets. The Voyager 2 will allow you to detect objects which are the size of a human being more than 2 kilometers away. Objects floating in the water the size of 2.3 by 2.3 meters can be detected up to practically 6 kilometers away. The Voyager 2 can pan 360 degrees continuously and tilt plus or minus 60 degrees. It provides a steady image in practically any sea state. The FLIR system's Voyager 2 is extremely easy to handle. It comes standard with a remote control panel with integrated joystick. The joystick allows the captain to pan or tilt the Voyager 2 in the desired direction. Twist the knob on the joystick to zoom in or out. Thermal and visual light images zoom together so that when the captain changes from one imager to the other, the same field of view is displayed. All features of the Voyager 2 are easily controlled by a few buttons on the joystick control unit. This button switches the Voyager 2 on or off. The Home button moves the Voyager 2 to an operator predefined position. When held down for at least 4 seconds, it sets the current position as the new home position. The Point command turns off the Voyager 2's pan stabilization. The Stab button puts the 2-axis gyro stabilization off or on. The Night button toggles between the available image presentation modes: Black Hot, Fusion, Rainbow, Red Hot, and White Hot. The Visible IR button switches between the thermal and visible light cameras, and back. With the Scene button, you can cycle through day running, man overboard, night running, or night docking settings to change the brightness and contrast of the thermal image. Varying conditions make one setting more appropriate than another for a specific task. The AF button will autofocus the Voyager 2. With the Focus In and Out buttons, you can manually adjust the focus of the camera if necessary. The Setup button gives you access to the Setup menu. Here you can put foveal view on or off, display or hide icons, and change various other settings. The dim button can be used to change the brightness of the control panel so that you can adjust it to your own comfort. Small icons based at the bottom of the thermal image allow the captain to see in which direction the Voyager 2 is looking, whether it's in the home position or not. Also, other settings of the camera can easily be read from these icons. The Voyager 2 can easily be installed on board new or existing vessels. Various options exist. It can be configured for standalone use or optionally as part of a TCP/IP network. Voyager 2's optional Ethernet control lets you survey the area around your boat from any network computer. You can check on your vessel from any location on the boat or from anywhere in the world. The Voyager 2 can also be connected to a radar. It can be equipped with an optional radar tracker that automatically points the Voyager 2 to objects found by the radar and tracks them. This powerful and useful feature works seamlessly with most existing radar systems. Let sunrise and sunset no longer dictate your boating schedule. Protect your vessel, its passengers and crew, and install a FLIR Systems thermal imaging camera on board your ship today.